you start, I just want to tell you the altar on which the Eucharist is being celebrated is a special altar because on 10th September 1995, there was a World Youth Day here. And on this altar, John Paul II celebrated the Mass for the youth here, okay? And you are exactly a meter out under the Holy House. The Holy House is on top, okay? So pray for, because this is a place for families. It's called the Basilica of the Holy House. It's a place for families. It's a place for new couples who want to start a family, have children, you know. The angel of the Lord declared, and Mary conceives, okay. So pray also for couples, okay. Don't worry, after Mass stay here because I can see you all on video, okay. I'll come down in the meantime, okay. Everything is monitored, so you can't as well. So say also a prayer for us. We are 24 Capuchins here from 11 different countries. So, no Filipino. If you have one, send one. God bless you. I'll come later. Okay?